What's in the box? What's in the box? You don't know? Okay, shoot. Right. What's in the box? He doesn't know, but I do know. Let's talk electric bikes. Or more specific, what makes a lazy man really, really lazy. In a minute, I'm gonna unbox this box and whatever is inside. This is a pedal-assisted, fully electric, 250-watt electric bike made by DYU Cycles. Let's have a look inside. When the company reached out to me and said, would you like make a review of our new bike? I went onto Google and quickly had a look. This is one of the best models they have. It's fully foldable, highly compact, not very heavy. I will go into more details later on when we test it and use it and stuff, but it weighs 22 kilograms. And when I say it's fully electric, meaning you don't even need to pedal. So you can pedal it as a normal cycle with the pedal assist, but there is also a little sort of lever, I'll show you in a second, that you can potentially just use it as a scooter. Charger. Let's just pull this out because I think it's packed really, really well inside. Let's open this up. It's aluminium magnesium body that makes it kind of light. I mean, 20 kilograms is not extremely light, but it's more than liftable by one man or female. Obviously it needs tools. I'm just gonna crudely put it together so we can see what it is. Obviously I'll tighten all the wheels and everything afterwards. I'm sure it comes with tools, but I don't have tools to put this on yet. Hey, look at that! It really wants to go because the light is on already. Fairly powerful. So that goes onto here. Well, the light went out. Ah, okay. Yeah, I think right at the front like this is good. The bike in its full glory. The really cool thing about this bike is that you know how the majority of them don't have any suspension. This has suspension inside the seat. So this is your shock absorber on the inside. To be honest with you, I mean, it's almost as high as I would need it. But yeah. Charger, obviously being electric. Ah, it does have tools. That's actually really, really fantastic. So theoretically, if you have absolutely nothing and you bought this somewhere in the middle of Scotland, right, I think it's time to take it for a very quick test ride. Okay, kill it.
Bit of fun. Yeah, it's good.
Oh, I love this feature. It struggles a little bit on the grass because obviously I'm not the lightest of people. This bike is rated to 120 kilograms. I am 95. It's amazing. Obviously on a pavement would be so much more interesting. Around 15-16 kilometers an hour or miles an hour is more than enough. But also you can pedal, so you can assist it. It has a bunch of gears. I didn't even sort of went through them. They're normal Shimano gears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the smaller and 1 on the big, so that you're literally only changing that one. So what I know about this bike is that it has this sort of intelligent assist system built in. So you don't need to press anything if you want it to be pedal assisted. So you just pedal like a normal bike and it should theoretically just basically assist you with going up. Yep. Just to show you, 1 second. This is fully pedal, no assist, no nothing. So no electricity. And this one is full electric version of this. This one is light, but this one has a battery and a motor. So, but none of them, but we're not about this bike. We're about this bike, obviously. So yeah, this is a very handy feature, the fact that it folds like this, because like I said, it's very important to be able to take it with you anywhere you want. So of course, the race van has space, but I used to take a Volvo. If you're not racing, or even if you're going for whatever purpose. Anyways, being able to fold it is really, really good. The wheels are actually on the large size for a foldable bike of this class. They are 20 inch. and they're fairly chunky. So the way you switch this one bike off for loading or whatever, there's only one button in effect, on off. You press and it should go out. So now it's basically just your normal pedal bike. To switch this back on, press, hold, 3 lights go on. This is basically your charge as well. As soon as it drops to whatever, this is your lights. And to switch the light on, single press, on, off, and you have the light. Fairly powerful. There you go. That's the first donut. Very cool bike. I'm very happy that we have it. We're gonna be able to do some more content for you guys. Basically, we're just gonna use them as they are intended in a race paddock, going places, and we'll show you all the good user cases about those bikes, and we'll probably race them at the race circuit. Let's take it onto the road. Let's do a nice little ride, see how battery lasts and what sort of first world feedback I can give you after a quick ride, and I'll report back.